Today we're visiting another planet, also known as Goblin Valley State Park in Utah. Let's go. So after waking up at our free campsite just outside of Capitol Reef National Park, we drove about an hour northeast.
Arrived at Goblin Valley State Park. Arrived.
So if you want to fly a drone in the park, you'll need to get a permit. They're $10 each, but it's definitely worth it. Just be aware that if there are special events, emergencies, or a high number of people in the park that day, they may have to block out the permits. Cupcake and I have been very fortunate to travel all over the southwest U.S. over the past few years, and this area of Utah is amazing. It's close to our favorite national park, Capitol Reef, and now our favorite state park. Goblin Valley is like a rock garden from a dream, with quirky sculptures created by Mother Nature in the middle of nowhere. These goblins are made of Entrada sandstone and have been shaped by wind and water over millions of years. What we really liked was that you can walk among the rocks. Nothing is blocked off. There are 3 valleys to explore, with Valley 1 being the closest to the parking area. We walked through Valleys 1 and 2, and we got some great drone footage, or at least we think so. But we'll definitely explore Valley 3 on our next visit. People have lived here for thousands of years, but little was known about the area in modern times until cowboys found it while searching for cattle in the late 1800s. The area was acquired by the state of Utah in 1964, and it was designated as a state park. From some of the pictures we've seen, it's an ideal place to gaze at the night sky since you'll have very little night pollution. The campground in the park has 25 sites and 2 yurts, and I'm sure spending a night here would be absolutely amazing. We just went over 2,000 subscribers, and we're celebrating by doing a giveaway to one of our subscribers. Visit our website at cupcakeandcornbread.com for details, but don't wait, deadline is January 31st, 2024. Well, that's going to wrap it up for our first day at Goblin Valley State Park in Utah. Watch for our next video when we hike to Goblin's Lair and Goblet's Lair and explore other parts of this amazing park. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on our next adventure.